Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel, Matt. Matt here, you lucky guy, viewer of the channel.
Yes, sir.
You are here to buy the beautiful R9T racer. You flew up from LA today.
That's right.
Just to ride this thing, buy this thing. We're gonna be doing hopefully a delivery video.
Yep.
When you get back. He's got a little travel plans, but I'm glad it's really actually going to a good home, to a viewer. Super excited. But you have a very unique, cool bike. Tell me about the bike that you currently have.
Right, so I have a Harley Sportster 48.
Okay.
Originally bought it, that's 2015.
Okay.
So I shipped it out from New York to LA when I moved here.
Okay.
And then I got some custom work done on it, so I removed the fenders.
Some custom work
It's
done
a little
on it.
bit, so it's
I'm
cool.
gonna insert a picture right here, and we can see what custom work you've done, but it's a pretty badass looking bike.
Yeah, I love it.
So this will be a cool thing to add to your collection now, right? Because
Exactly.
now you got a collection of motorcycles.
Yeah, that's it.
But with today, we're gonna be doing our first ride. You're gonna be doing your first ride. I'm finally gonna have the Ducati out. I haven't had this thing out since Coda. Sorry guys, it's been a little cold here in California.
Just a bit.
Yeah, let's go for a quick ride and see
Yeah, I
how
can't
you
wait.
love this thing, man.
I'm excited. Let's go. First ride.
Sweet.
Hell yeah, dude.
Hell yeah!
Awesome.
Is it good?
Yeah, I love it, dude.
Dude, hell yeah, man.
Yeah, man, this is sick.
Got a little bit to it, right?
Yeah, without a doubt, dude. It moves.
And the thing just, dude, so that's the first time I've actually seen the bike in riding.
Yeah.
I'll tell you, this isn't the side to look at.
Yeah.
That other side with that exhaust and the single-sided the single-sided wheel, dude, it just looks so badass.
Yeah, dude, the balance is awesome too. It just goes like
It's easy. It's really kind of an easy ride for a sport bike.
I think so.
Real nice. Well, let's head down Pleasant Valley Road and we'll do a quick little rip. So I'll let you go first.
Okay, cool.
Take your time. No rush.
All right,
but basically just stay straight on the road, and I'm gonna vlog a little bit behind you and
Hell yeah.
see what we got going. But we'll let this guy go, and then away we go. But man, you look good on it though.
Yeah, hell yeah. So sick.
Love it, man. Love it. Well, that's it. That's it for the vlog, man. It's going to a good home. I told him we're gonna see this bike in the future because we got to take it down to LA, and we're in LA, so I'll probably bring the HB2 Sport, and we got to ride with that R9T group that I was talking. Maybe get Nate Kern out there. Dude, here it is. But dude, thanks to everyone for watching, everyone supporting the R9T racer. Do you have an Instagram?
Yeah.
We'll link all of it in his Instagram down below. It'll be on the screen down below, but dude, enjoy it, man. Enjoy it. But let's finish this beautiful ride, and for you subscribers, we'll see you next video. The Ducati's got some work going on, so stay tuned for that. I dropped that Bogna bought a new bike. Oops, because this is coming out before her video, so stay tuned. The Multistrada's coming. Dude, we've got a lot of stuff going, so stay tuned, you guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, smash the like button. Like them, baby. And we'll see you guys next video. Bye, guys.
That's it.